they incinerate those the teas and the soils. Then we dissolve them in liquid form. Then you can come and show you the next part. When we come to this room and assay for the different metals. Yeah.
Oh, this is the machine that came from Turkey.
ICP. Yeah, this is Turkey, and they are trying to commission it now.
Okay.
And these are specialists who are doing the commissioning. Yeah.
Huge thing.
The machine is from Japan.
Oh, the machine is from
the engineers are from Turkey.
Shimadzu Corporation, right?
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
What is the machine for? ICP. It's used to assay for different elements. Heavy, both micro and macro nutrients in samples. Yeah, they leaf or soil or even food samples. All of them can be handled here.